Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw your Litecoin from Robinhood to Bitmart in 2025. With crypto markets evolving fast, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, let's get started. First off, before we jump in, make sure you have a verified account on both Robinhood and Bitmart. You'll also need some Litecoin in your Robinhood wallet and a basic understanding of crypto wallets. Security is key, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your funds. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Navigate to the Crypto section and select Litecoin from your portfolio. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. It's usually easy to find. Step 2. Once you're in the withdrawal menu, you'll need the Litecoin deposit address from Bitmart. Switch over to Bitmart, log in, go to your wallet, and select Litecoin. Copy the deposit address, and remember to choose the correct network, like the Lieutenant Colonel network, to avoid any issues. Step 3. Back in Robinhood, paste the Bitmart address into the withdrawal form. Double-check the address for accuracy. One wrong character could mean losing your Litecoin forever. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any network fees that might apply. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. Robinhood will show you a summary, including estimated fees and processing time. If everything looks good, hit confirm and wait for the transaction to process. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Step 5. Head back to Bitmart and check your wallet. Once the Litecoin arrives, you're all set. As a final tip, always monitor your transactions and consider using a hardware wallet for long-term storage to enhance security. There you have it. Withdrawing Litecoin from Robinhood to Bitmart doesn't have to be complicated. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.